Bitcoin just crashed 5% after Israel launched airstrikes on Iran's nuclear facilities. But here's the twist. Instead of panic, some of the biggest players in crypto started buying. Why? What do they know that the average investor doesn't? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how this sudden drop might be the start of Bitcoin's next explosive surge. Hello friends, I'm Soil and welcome to Chain Rush. Today we're uncovering how the recent Israel-Iran conflict shook the crypto markets and why Bitcoin's reaction could change the way we view it forever. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly why this crisis could mark a turning point for Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. It all began on June 12, 2025. Israel launched precision airstrikes on Iranian nuclear sites, a move that escalated years of simmering tension into all-out confrontation. Within hours, Iran fired back with a barrage of missiles, targeting Tel Aviv. Financial markets worldwide went into defense mode. Oil prices jumped, gold spiked, and Bitcoin, it took a nosedive. According to cryptonews.com, Bitcoin tumbled to around $103,000 on June 13th, down 5% in just 24 hours. Over $1.2 billion in crypto positions were liquidated. Ethereum dropped 10%. Solana slipped 11%. Panic gripped the market. Investors ditched crypto for traditional safe havens like gold and government bonds. But here's where it gets interesting. Just one day later, Bitcoin bounced back. By June 14th, Yahoo Finance reported it had surged back to around $106,000. So what changed? Confidence. Specifically, institutional confidence. According to the Economic Times, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, stepped in and added 2,650 BTC to its ETF holdings, right in the middle of the chaos. This brings us to the big question: is Bitcoin really a safe haven asset? The answer isn't black and white. Traditional safe havens like gold are prized during crises because they retain value. During this conflict, gold surged over 1%, according to Reuters. Bitcoin, on the other hand, dipped with equities, exposing its risk asset behavior, but it also recovered fast. Research from Science Direct shows Bitcoin often mirrors stock market behavior during periods of geopolitical stress, which challenges the safe haven narrative. But according to Cointelegraph, this latest pattern matches Bitcoin's behavior in late 2024, when a similar conflict caused a dip, followed by an 80% rally. Some analysts now believe we could see a repeat, with targets as high as $150,000 this year. Still, the debate rages. On Reddit, skeptics are vocal. If Bitcoin's a safe haven, why does it crash when war breaks out? And that's a fair question. Even Standard Chartered said in 2024, Bitcoin might not be a true safe haven, but buying the dip is still smart strategy. So maybe Bitcoin isn't acting like gold, but maybe it's not supposed to. Instead of avoiding market shocks, Bitcoin absorbs them, then bounces back with speed. That ability to rebound might be its real strength, a new kind of resilience. If Bitcoin can shrug off global conflict in 24 hours, could that be its evolution from risky speculation to trusted reserve? Hit like if you think this recovery says more about Bitcoin than the crash ever did. And here's something even more telling. On-chain data from CryptoQuant reveals that long-term holders added over 881,000 BTC in just 1 month. That's not panic selling, that's conviction. According to CoinDCX, if Bitcoin holds above 104,000, it could rally to 120,000 within weeks. Cointelegraph analysts see bullish signals forming around the 50-day moving average. And with the crypto fear and greed index still sitting at 61, greed, the market mood remains remarkably optimistic. So here's the takeaway. The Israel-Iran conflict revealed Bitcoin's true nature. It drops in the chaos, but climbs even stronger. It may not be traditional gold, but it might just be the digital equivalent we need for a new era of finance. What do you think? Is Bitcoin maturing into a crisis-resistant asset, or is this just another bull trap? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk it out. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell, because next time we're diving into Solana's ETF surprise and what it could mean for altcoins in 2025. I'm Soil, and this is Chain Rush, where crypto meets clarity.